Mathematics instructional video. Writing linear functions from story problems. Consider this story problem. Suppose you receive $100 for a graduation present and you deposit it in a savings account. Then each week thereafter, you add $5 to the account. Consider these questions. What is the slope and what does it mean in the context of this problem? When we talk about the slope, we are talking about the thing in this problem that is changing over time. What is changing over time? Well, $100 is only the initial deposit. But every week you're adding $5. So this $5, that is your slope. $5. Or sometimes it's just written out as the number 5. Keep in mind that this means it's $5 every week. Let's move on. What is the y-intercept, and what does it mean in the context of this problem? The y-intercept, when it comes to story problems, we're really talking about a starting value. In other words, what was the initial value when it started? In this case, $100 was the initial deposit into the savings account. That is the y-intercept. Or it might just be written as 100. Write the equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, to model the situation. The slope is 5. It goes in place of m. The y-intercept is 100. It goes in place of b. Remember, y is equal to the amount of money in the account. X is equal to the number of weeks that have passed. Let's take this a step further and answer some questions about this story problem. Use your equation to find the amount of savings you will have after 23 weeks. 23 weeks goes in place of X. Let's build the equation around it. Remember, y is equal to the amount of money? Well, after 23 weeks, what do you have? Type it in your calculator. 5 times 23 plus, 5 times 23 plus 100. $215. Remember to always state what you have. It's the amount in your savings, therefore it's $215. Now, use your equation to find the number of weeks until you have $310 in your account. Now, instead of placing this number in place of X, we're going to place it in place of Y, because now we're talking about the amount of money you've accrued after a number of weeks. In this case, we need to solve for X. Just use your inverse operation skills to solve for it. $210 divided by 5 is equal to 42. And in this case, 42 weeks, because it was the number of weeks you have until you have $310 in your account. I hope this video helps you in solving these types of problems. Try some questions on your own. Let your teacher know if you have any comments or concerns.